Introduction: Thriving alongside artificial intelligence.
The rise of artificial intelligence is transforming modern workplaces. Success now depends on how well people work with AI, rather than just alongside it. Building strong human-AI collaboration skills unlocks new career opportunities, increases productivity, and helps professionals stay relevant. Let's explore the essential skills that empower individuals to collaborate effectively with AI and achieve lasting success.
Data literacy: Understanding and interpreting data.
Data literacy is the foundation for working with AI. This means being able to read, interpret, and question data, as well as understanding how AI systems use it. By developing skills in analyzing data trends, recognizing biases, and verifying outputs, professionals can make informed decisions, maximize AI's strengths, and avoid common pitfalls linked to poor data practices.
Critical thinking and problem solving.
Critical thinking remains crucial even with advanced AI tools. Effective human-AI teams question outcomes, assess assumptions, and consider alternative solutions. By thinking analytically, professionals can spot limitations in AI recommendations and creatively bridge gaps. Problem-solving skills help combine human insights with AI-driven efficiency, leading to smarter business solutions and innovation.
Effective communication and collaboration.
Clear communication is key in human-AI collaboration. Explaining goals, interpreting AI-driven results, and translating technical outputs for non-experts requires strong interpersonal skills. Successful team members bridge communication gaps between humans and AI, facilitating better workflows and ensuring everyone is aligned. Professional collaboration skills help teams leverage AI capabilities while addressing challenges early.
Adaptability and continuous learning.
The AI landscape evolves quickly. Adaptability and a commitment to lifelong learning are essential skills. Staying updated on emerging AI tools and methods lets professionals stay ahead. Being open to change, upskilling regularly, and experimenting with new technologies help workers adjust to shifting responsibilities and seize fresh opportunities in AI-driven environments.
Ethical awareness and responsible AI use.
Ethical considerations are central to success with AI. Professionals should understand privacy, bias, transparency, and the societal impact of AI decisions. By upholding high ethical standards and questioning how AI affects stakeholders, individuals contribute to trust and fairness in human-AI teams. Responsible AI use is vital for sustainable success and reputation.
Forward focus: Building your human-AI skill set.
Mastering human-AI collaboration requires a blend of technical and personal skills. Data literacy, critical thinking, communication, adaptability, and ethics all play crucial roles. By cultivating these abilities, professionals prepare to thrive, innovate, and lead as artificial intelligence transforms the future of work.